Hello, I'm Mir from FAZE'N'MIR, now with a selfie stick. Tomorrow we are going to play a cooder tune for you, and I'm looking forward to that, playing with Faze. But today I wanted to show you my garden in bloom. We have so many wildflowers and some not so wild, but let me show you. In Denmark it is very dark and cold and wet during the winter time. So when the light finally comes back, everyone is outside because it's just so refreshing. And being in my garden really refreshes me. I love it. Anyways, here behind me you can see my little workshop where I also do paintings. I'll show you one of these days. Hope to see you tomorrow. Have a great day.